Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Before I introduce myself, my name is Hana Periska from the Mathematics Education Study Program, Faculty of Teacher Training and Education, Mula Warman University, with study ID number 2305046004. On this occasion, I will present the result of my international journal review. Journal title Research on the Attitude of Undergraduate Students for Mathematics Education, Nation, author Ömer Beyhan from Necmet Chin Erbakan University, Konya, Turkey, presenter Hana Periska. Introduction: Mathematics is a child that have individuals discover their talent and think logical. According to Bert 1, 2994, meaningful mathematics education is performed by teacher, student, and learning environment. The research aims to examine the student attitude at the Department of Primary School teaching toward the mathematics education course. The student attitude toward mathematics education course will ensure their ability to transfer mathematics knowledge and consequently the success of the student. In addition to this, it was aimed to investigate whether the student attitude of the Department of Primary School teaching toward mathematics course vary according to the variable of class and parent education. For this purpose, the following questions were researched. Method: the study examines the attitude of the student attending undergraduate education in the Department of Primary School teaching toward mathematics education lesson, and it's a descriptive comparison study in general super module. Population and sample: the population of the study consists of the students studying in the Department of Primary Education at the Faculty of Education of a state university. Data collection shows attitudes call for mathematics education lesson, attitudes call towards mathematics education lesson developed by Turkey and Tronali 2008, which was used to determine the attitudes of primary school students in mathematics education lesson. Analysis of data aspects to 0.0 PEX program was used for data analysis in order to examine the relationship between the attitude of the elementary school student in mathematics education course, descriptive values, and arithmetic mean, standard definition, and the normal distribution of data. The Scanless, Cortez, Convex, and Homograph sphere knob value of mathematics education course were calculated. Finding: first subproblem. The first subproblem of the study was giving us what are the attitudes of students of primary school teacher toward mathematics education lesson. In order to answer the subproblem, discrete statistics were examined and table 1 show the attitude score, arithmetic mean, and standard definition value of the elementary school teacher mathematics education lesson. Table 1, descriptive statistics relates to attitude points toward mathematics education lesson. Total attitude toward mathematics education lesson mean score was 3.x5. Standard definition 239 as attitudes toward mathematics education corresponds to 3.40 to 4.20. The attitude of students toward mathematics education course were good. Second sub-problem. The second sub-sentence of the study is do the attitudes of primary school teacher student in mathematics education show a significant difference compared to the first and fourth grade student. In order to test our hypothesis within the scope of the effects of the student's first and fourth grade on mathematics education lesson, it is examined whether the data show normal distribution, and the findings are given in Table 2 according to the result of Kolmogorov's-Smirnov test. P is greater than 0.5. It's why this indicates that they show normal distribution. Table 3 shows the attitude score data of the student of the Department of Primary Teachers Education for mathematics education lesson according to the variability of the first and fourth grade student. Table 3 according to the variable of being the first and fourth grade student attitude score test result. The independent sample test was used to evaluate whether the first or fourth grade student attitudes toward mathematics education course had a significant effect on the attitude of primary school student. The first grade student attitude score average x is equal to 3.95 was found 3 was too significant difference between the attitude mean score of the fourth grade student. X is equal to 3.75 in the Department of Primary School Teaching. T is equal to 0.669. P is greater than 0.50. In this case, it can decide the there is no significant effects on the first and fourth grade student attitudes towards mathematics education lesson of primary school as student. The third sub-problem sentence of the study can be expressed as do the attitudes of primary school teachers students in the mathematics education lesson show a significant difference compared to the variable of the educational status of the parents. In order to test our hypothesis, attitude score data for mathematics education lesson of the elementary education teacher of the primary school teacher objection from the Kruskal-Wallis test, which is not normally distributed, is given in Table 4. Table 4 attitude scores of the student of the Department of Primary School. Teaching toward mathematics education lesson according to the father of education level variable Kruskal-Wallis. The test result when the apparent attitude score of mathematics education lesson were compared according to the further education level of primary school students, father who were distorted. X is equal to 153,000. At the highest attitude score, these were followed by their worst father who had secondary education. X is equal to X names 0.24 was father had primary education. X is equal to 79.59 and thus towards father who had secondary education. X is equal to 89.2 So per was father had primary education age is equal to 79.59 and thus was father had her education age is equal to 71.27. These main differences were found to be statistically insignificant at 0.05. Significance level X is equal to 1.377. P is greater than 0.05. The attitude score data of the student of the Department of Primary School teacher who obtained the crucial list test with the data that do not show normal distribution according to the murder education status variable are given in Table 5. Table 5. Attitude score of mathematics education student of primary school teacher according to murder education status variable cross-calling test result. When the attitude score of mathematics education course of the primary school teacher were compared according to the mother education status variable, those words mother were literate X is equal to 97.94 had the X has attitude score. This was followed by mother with primary education X equals 79.8x, mother with secondary education X is equal 7x.43 and mother with higher education X is equals 76.21. These means differences were found to be statistically insignificant as 0.05. Significance level X equals 1.377. P is greater than 0.05 when the attitude score of mathematics education course of the primary school teacher were compared according to their father-mother education status variable. It is worth examining that the literate father-mother children have the highest attitudes and the father-mother children who have higher education have the lowest attitude. Discussion. It was observed that the overall score of total attitudes toward mathematics education lesson grade was 3.85 for primary school students. It can be said that student attitudes toward mathematics education lesson are at a good level. As a result of the students of Azen and Obay 2016, it was seen that the attitude score of the prospects teacher toward mathematics files and the files of education were similar and positive. The students who part our study in terms of positive attitudes toward the application education lesson, it has been determined that whether they are first or fourth grade students, attitudes toward mathematics education lesson has no significant effects on primary school students. This shows that the mean attitude score of the student of classroom teaching department does not change according to their grade level. Conclusion. It can be said the result obtained by Ozgen and Obay 2016 in their research shows that the attitude toward files education lesson did not show significant difference according to the grade variables. When the attitude score of mathematics education course of the primary school teacher were compared according to the father-mother educational status variable, it is worth assuming that the literate father-mother children have the exact attitudes and the Mother, children who have higher education have the lowest attitude. One of the reasons for the result is the literate parents take care of the importance of education and support their children in order to be better. And finally, the bibliography.